Hello and welcome back to Breakfast on Fire. I am Ron Perkins.
I'm Jerry Holmes, and today is a little bit different of an experience. We are traveling straight to the tundra.
We are doing a Scandinavian
land of the midnight sun. If you are Nordic or ancestors of the Norsemen and women, we're doing a Scandinavian fruit and cheese on.
So then what you're gonna do is get a nice sharp knife. Really gotta make sure it's sharp.
Materials-wise,
it's really important. If you don't have a sharp knife,
down over a plate like this, you're going to cut extremely more.
So anyways, what you're
for
gonna do,
a butcher knife, we have about an 8
I like to use
10-inch blade,
but that's just
for a cutting board, one that has a button on the outside along the spine here. So there we go. So what we're supposed to do is peel the banana straight down to straight in the air. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is make some banana coins. Gravity is going to help you pull it right down to the cutting board.
You're not going to want a banana that is brown and round. You're going to want one that's a little bit ripe, but not overly. You want a little bit of green left in the
banana is that it's so easy to slice, okay? And then you're going to sprinkle that around the rim because in Scandinavian tradition,
peel it really quickly.
A full circle signifies
watch out, you can get a little schmutz
good
on there, but
fortune
that's okay.
for
That's why we
here
have
in
our
winter.
shoulder towel.
So,
no big deal
next,
there.
obviously,
This
we have
one's
a
a
couple
little
of
bit
different
further
fruits. So we
along than I would have
got one
preferred.
apple here.
Sometimes
Again, let
it's
gravity
all
do the
about
work. Let gravity do the work.
You
We're gonna go
have.
straight
That is
down.
the beautiful thing.
A lot of
We
times
are
I get a little
resourceful
squirrely, which is pretty fun.
on Breakfast on Fire.
So we're gonna put a couple
And
different
then
apple
what
chunks
you're
here
gonna do is
on
once
the
you've got a
outside.
nice circle all the way
Don't
around
forget,
your plate,
in the beginning, if you want to
you
lay down a
are
bed,
going
put
to
down a
grab
little bit of hospitality there for the
greens.
fruit.
Now,
Okay.
the greens are
Now,
going to be used to make a nice little nest for your apples.
we are
which
going to
gonna
place
go
that
center
right in
place.
there. It's going to be like a
Because,
little
of
bird's
course,
nest. Okay, think about,
the apple
let's
is the
see, the
centerpiece of any
Scandinavian
Scandinavian
breakfast. Norway,
We all know that, of course, but it's good to review
the
from
brown-breasted
time to
robin.
time. So
Now,
what you're going to do is do thin slices of the apple.
we all like to add a little bit of citrus to our breakfast, so we are going to peel that clementine down about halfway,
like the
native to Sweden.
in a waiting room.
And as soon as we get about half
I've
peeled,
been
you want
running my
to keep
thumbnail
that
out for
bright
quite a while
orange
now,
out,
just in order
just
to be able to
for
peel
presentation.
clementines like this.
Always
This
make sure the
is
sticker is on
clementine
so they
season.
know these sorts.
You can find them at your local grocery
You're going to
store. They come
slice
in
that down about
bags,
halfway,
like
keeping the
bags,
skin
or
on
they
the
come
outside.
in boxes.
Place that right
So
there
what
on the
you're
top
gonna
of that
do is
nest.
peel that baby.
See how that's coming
It's a
along
fun
very
game
nicely.
to sometimes try to
And
peel the
then,
whole thing
of course, the
in one
quadrants.
fell swoop. It's
That's
not
right.
easy, but it
You
is
have 4
doable.
quadrants there,
I've
one
learned a
for
way to do it.
each
It looks sort
of
of
your
like a
quarters of
elephant
breakfast,
face.
beginning
But
right
today,
before the middle,
we're gonna
right
just
after the middle,
take
and then
what
of
we
course
got
the
and
conclusion.
work with it.
Now,
So then
this
what
is
we're
the
gonna
fun
do-
part, okay?
This is fun right here. We're going to take our slices
We're going to take our little wood-handled
and we're going to put them
here.
right
And we're gonna
between
do
the
one
bananas.
clean
That's
swoop,
right. It's going to be
flop it
black
down,
and white, black and white.
another
checkers,
clean
like checkers.
swoop, and flop
Once,
that one down.
and then again.
That
Once,
makes
and
it
then
2
again.
full halves.
If you
Put them
don't
together,
have as
slap
many
them up.
orange
One
slices
laid
as
down
you do
above the
bananas,
clementine,
what you
one
can
laid
actually
down
do
below.
is just
Okay,
take
we're all
that
about
extra apple
symmetry
slice
here at Breakfast on
and put
Fire.
it
I'm
right
right
in
you
the
remember
middle
that
there.
from
Now,
episode
it's not
1.
perfect radio symmetry,
Now,
but it's a nice little touch.
To make sure
then
that
what
there's
you're
no
going to do is
oxidation
get your
and
protein. This is
protection,
a
okay,
Scandinavian
for fruit not
hand-made
going bad,
cheese
not
slicer.
decaying, because in
So what you're gonna do is
Scandinavia,
just dig
the
that
winters
in,
are cold and dark, but guess
drag
what?
it right
The
across,
summers are
okay?
hot and light.
You're gonna wanna
So,
make sure
in order to do that and
that
to make
your
sure that your
thumb
fruit is staying
is
fruit is staying
not
good, is you
in
drip a couple
the
drops
way
of that
of the
lemon juice
slicer,
down there.
because you could have a
Not
sliced
only does
thumb
it
as quickly
add
as you
a
had
little bit of a glitz,
sliced cheese.
it also adds a little bit
Now
of
the
a
cheese
flavor.
has some nice fat in it. It's going to help
One of the
bring out
last
the
things
flavors
that
in
I like
those
to do
fruits.
on the fruit and cheese plate
Okay.
for Scandinavia
And
is
then
to
what
bring
you're
a
gonna
little
wanna
bit of
do
that green out,
is get
a little bit
of
little
a
color to
garnish
that
going.
moss out,
Because remember,
that
presentation
lichen covered
is
tundra
also
tussocks,
important.
those
I'm gonna
stones
tuck
out
it in
there.
right there by
We
our
are just
apple
going to
slice.
sprinkle a little
And
bit.
then check
Again,
this out.
gravity
Now, this
is
is
doing the work on that
accompany
one.
to a Scandinavian fruit
Now,
cake.
the last thing that we want to think about is the fluid.
You are going to
That is
drink
the
today
conclusion,
is
okay?
the juice from an
Now,
orange.
you always want to make sure
Fresh
that the
squeeze,
juice
of course,
stays in the
and you're
fridge
going to want
until you're
pulp in
ready
there.
to get
Good
it.
golly,
Okay?
you're going to want pulp in there.
And the
None of
other
this strange stuff.
important step
Part
is
of the
making sure
ruggedness
that
of
you
living
have a
in the
classy
northern
glass
climate
and one that you are
is
not going to
to
touch with your
have
body temperature.
pulp.
So, once you're
You're
ready to
gonna
grab
have to
that
work
OJ,
your way
you're going to
through
head over to the fridge, which, give me a second, I'm going to be right
And
there.
then, so what you're going to want to do is sort of get all of your materials out of the way.
And you're
can,
going
of
to
course,
shake that up
be
and
composted.
shake it hard, because what you want is all that pulp to be evenly
Put some of
distributed.
that stuff aside.
You're going to splash
For now.
1, 2,
We're
3,
done
just
with our
like
cheese,
bartending
we're done
school.
with our apples.
And you're gonna put that over there to put back.
Put our garnishes aside.
Make sure that cheese is
and the last
popped
thing
up
before
nice.
you
Sometimes
serve
it's
this
tough.
baby is you're gonna squeeze out just
And then we're almost
splash
ready
of lemon
again.
on there.
We are almost
what
ready.
that's gonna do
The
is
last
add
thing that you
little,
wanna
that
do
little depth, that little bit
is
of
make sure
tartness,
that organization
and
is
as
all set up
it'll
well
keep
for your
the
guests.
apples and other fruits
Make
from
sure that juice is
oxidizing
nice
in
and
the
cold
open
still
air.
because you want to serve it quick.
And then pretty much all you're gonna do
And then
is
at
bring
the
it
same
right
time,
over
you're
the,
gonna bring it
right
right
over
up
the
to your
table and
guests
say, hey,
and say,
hey,
hey,
enjoy!
Hardy har har, just like the Norwegians and Swedes and Finns and Danes.
Cheers, or as they say in
Cheers.
Scandinavia,
Konchar.